Hey, Joseph here. The scene is a little bit dark because I wanted to showcase this product over here. It's a two of the same, one kind product from Ulanzi. It is called iLight Pocket Ice Light. And I thought this product was something very interesting for my use case scenario, so I have asked Ulanzi to send me this product for unboxing and showcase purposes. So here I am making a video about it. And here it says it's got 20 different kinds of light effects and magnetic suction. I think they mean magnetic attachment or just magnetic so that you can attach to different things. And then it's got 2500 to 9000 Kelvin. So pretty much it covers all spectrum of light or color since it is RGB, as you can see. So let's get it unboxed and I'll show you what I was intending to use this product for. So first of all, when you open it, inside of this vinyl, there's a pocketable light and stuff that you should not eat, and a cable. One side is USB-C and the other is USB-A, and then some product manual. I probably won't be reading this, but it is there. I kind of like figuring my way out instead of reading the product manuals. Obviously the other box would have the same exact stuff. So here's the light. Okay, so here are the two lights. And on the front, there's a diffuser for the light, Ulanzi logo. The model name is iLight. And there's a little sticker that shows you the number or the degree for all the color spectrum. And then there's sort of the rubberized magnet so that you can stick onto different things. USB-C port for charging, and then a few buttons to turn it on and off and navigate through. And here it says the power is 6 watt and the capacity is 2000 milliamp hour battery. So let's go ahead and turn it on. If you hold down the power button, that should kind of turn on, and then there is a LED panel that states the color or brightness or the mode that you are in, and I can kind of flip through different modes through this. So RGB in this case is green, and then I can also lower down the brightness to something minimal so that you guys could also see. So this is a 1% green or 100%, so it is fairly bright. And because it is magnetic, they kind of stick to each other, so you can kind of carry it like that if you want. So let's turn on this one as well. It's fairly bright when it comes to white. Yeah, you can do different colors and brightness if you want. I think the white is brighter than the colored light. So let's go ahead and change this to different color as well. There's different modes. You can put it to fireworks. Apparently this is a firework. TV, candle. So there's 20 different type of mode that you can choose from, or just a straight up RGB. So in this case it's green. I can change the degree of color. So let's say I go to and then change to sort of a blue tone so I can have it off the scene. Hey, there is a blue glow, and I can have a green glow on this side. So, or stick to different surfaces, such as my microphone over here has metal that I can stick to, so it will stick onto the surfaces. So that's something you can do if you want. And one other unique use case scenario that I've thought of, let's change it to white. So right now the Kelvin value on this one, let's keep it to 5000 so that it is sort of the daylight. Okay, both of them are at 100% brightness and daylight, and they kind of stick to each other this way too. It's not as strong, so it kind of breaks away, but you can kind of stick it this way if you wanted to, so that there is a maximum amount of brightness. So it kind of works as a light rod, if you would. So this is where I thought of a use case scenario of using something like this that has 1/4 on the either side of the screw. And then because it's got 1/4 thread on both sides of the light, I can perhaps put one here and then put one there and basically screw this in. So I can use it as a rod that sheds light on both sides. If I have another screw of same sorts, I can put it on a little tripod like this, and then basically light up the whole scene. And better yet, something like 360 camera has been always difficult getting a proper light for it, because you need a light source that puts light onto all the sides, because you're taking a picture of 360 degrees. So you can put this on like this, basically take a picture, and then the light is going on to the both of the directions. Kind of cool application, don't you think? And because if I want exactly opposite side, sometimes you have to unscrew a little bit, and that introduces a little bit of wobbleness. Then if that is a concern for you, then you can just kind of unscrew the whole thing. And often the 360 camera will have a little extender of some sort like this, and then mount the camera just like how you would normally do, and then basically set these lights at the very feet so that it sheds light on all direction. And it is extra helpful if you have another one. So here in my case, I've got 3 of them, and now it is shedding light all around. So there's gonna be light that is shed to the entire scene for 360 camera. And with the same idea, if you ever use a tripod like this where the magnet is able to stick onto, then you can just stick it on. Again, the same idea, and then put the 360 camera on top. So you can have the light all around the rod like this, and then 360 camera on top. And obviously if you have just a normal camera and you just need to shed light to the one side, then you can just have it shown to one side like this, and then basically light up the scene. Another cool application that I've thought of is to use clamp like this, and because the magnet will stick onto it, you can just use something like this. So for example, on this rod, I can just clamp it on like so, and then just use a magnet to stick it onto. There you go. The light is able to just hang on there. So yeah, that is the ice light from Ulanzi. I thought it's kind of cool product to showcase, since this is all pocketable and you can stick it onto different surfaces. It's quite useful to have something like this in your camera bag, so you can light up the scene in different ways, off your camera angle or on camera angle, however you want it. I hope you have enjoyed this content. If you did, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel so you can watch contents like this again. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time.